Lesson 9. Past Perfect Continuous Tense. Lesson Overview Transcript.
Hi everybody, I am Teacher Vlad and the best and the most effective speaking training system, Beautiful English. Beautiful English is the set of speaking learning tools and speaking simulators that will help all the English learners to start speaking English fluently and correctly. Today we will learn the past perfect continuous tense. Let's have a look at this slide and compare the past perfect tense with the past perfect continuous tense. Pay attention to the fact that both in the past perfect and in the past perfect continuous tenses, sentences have two parts connected with a conjunction when, before, or after. These parts of a sentence are connected with 2 points in the past, past 1 and past 2. While the past perfect describes a single completed event that happened before another single completed action, the past perfect continuous describes an event that was unfolding for some period of time in the past before another event in the past happened. He had been going for 1 hour. Cool. Now let's have a look at this slide. The sentence structure: subject, the auxiliary verb to have, had, because we are talking about the past, the auxiliary verb to be, been, verb 1, ing ending, and object. Then we see the example. I had been sleeping for 2 hours when she came in, and the time markers on the right. They are the same as for the past perfect tense. The only difference between the past perfect and the past perfect continuous is that in the past perfect continuous, the first sentence is in a continuous form, and it describes an action that was unfolding for some time in the past. In the next slide, you will see how to make interrogative and negative sentences. Pay attention to the fact that the auxiliary verb consists of 2 parts, had plus been. To make an interrogative sentence, we move only the first part, had, and leave the second part, been, at its place. Had I been going? Had she been drinking? To make an interrogative sentence, we put the negation not between had and been. No, I had not been going. No, she had not been drinking. Underneath, you see some examples. I had been driving for 2 hours when a road accident happened. He had been waiting for 2 hours before the bus arrived. I was tired after I had been working the whole evening. However, as you have already known, to know something doesn't mean to be able to do this something. That is why proceed to the lesson and practice speaking with my beautiful and very effective speaking simulators. Stay with us and continue to learn speaking English with Beautiful English. In the next review lesson, we will summarize the learning material about all forms of the past tense and do speaking exercises. We will also do the speaking test together with Teacher John and his student Nick. Do all the exercises properly, watch the speaking test and try to repeat everything Teacher John and student Nick say. Don't forget to subscribe to our mailing list and YouTube channel. Like, dislike, and express your opinion about my lessons and courses. Good luck and all the best. See you in the next lesson.